Hi everyone! In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create clean, effective infographics for your assignments. Even if you've never used Canva before, don't worry. By the end, you'll know how to select a template, customize colors and text, add icons and images, and download your finished infographic. The only thing you need is a computer and a free Canva account. Canva is built around templates, which makes it great for beginners. When you log into Canva, you'll land on your homepage. To start a new infographic, click the Create button, then go to the search bar at the top and type in infographic. From the suggestions, choose the style you need. You'll see a huge variety of templates, some colorful, some minimal, some data-heavy. For class projects, choose a template that matches your topic and keeps information easy to read. When your template opens, you're taken to the Canva editor. Let's do a quick tour. On the left panel, you will see Elements, Uploads, Text, Apps, and more. Across the top is your toolbar, where, among others, you'll find options to change colors, fonts, spacing, and position of elements. The center of the screen is your canvas. This is where you'll design your infographic. Every element in Canva is customizable, so let's start customizing. First, click on a text box. Canva will automatically open text editing options. You can replace the example text with your own by typing directly into the box. Use the font drop-down to choose a style and adjust the size, color, or alignment as needed. Try to keep your font choices to 2 or 3 at most to maintain visual consistency. Now, let's change the color of some other elements. Canva makes this easy. Click on any shape or background and select the color box in the toolbar. You can use your own color palette or choose from the default ones. Most infographics use icons or other graphic elements to visually represent ideas. To add these elements, you'll go to the Elements on the left panel, type what you need, like nursing, and press Enter or the arrow. These can be recolored like all elements in Canva. They can also be resized using the handles in the corner of the pictures. When choosing icons, try to use a consistent style, either all line icons or all solid icons. This keeps your infographic looking professional. You can also add shapes such as circles or rectangles to organize information, like you see here in the infographic. Using shapes like this can help separate sections and guide the reader's eyes. To find shapes, go back to the Elements option, and then find the Shapes category. Colors can be made more transparent by using the Transparency tool, like this. If you need to include photos, go to the Elements or upload your own using the Uploads tab. Just make sure any images you include support your topic and aren't too busy. Another design option that works with photos is Canvas's Frames option. Frames allow you to fit photos into eye-catching, interesting shapes. To use a frame, click on Elements, then scroll down to find the Frames option. Choose a frame that works with your design and drag it over to your infographic. To add the photo to the frame, find a photo that you want from Elements or a photo that you have uploaded, and drag it over the frame until it clicks into place. Frames can be resized just like any other element by clicking and dragging the handles. Clean layout is the key to a good infographic. Canva has tools to help with this. Now, you can select any object or text, and you will see the alignment and position tools in the upper right. You can align items left, center, or right, and distribute them evenly on the page. More importantly, you can position items relative to other items. Now, you can see that this title isn't exactly centered in the box, so I'll select both by holding down the Shift button and clicking on each. Next, with the position tools open, I'll select middle and center to align these two elements exactly. Now, look at the box that I placed on the page a little bit earlier. It's in front of the picture, making the picture look a little muddy. We want to put it behind the picture. So, click on the box, then select the position, and from the options on the left, click on backward until it is behind the picture. Let's do another. If your infographic is reporting data of some kind, Canva includes simple charts that you can customize. Once again, go to Elements, then scroll to the Charts section. Choose a chart type, bar, pie, line, and click it to add it to your design. Once again, you can resize as necessary and change the color scheme and the font color and size. you can edit the data. To edit the data, make sure you've selected the chart and then click Edit from the toolbar at the top. You'll get a small spreadsheet on the left where you can add your numbers and change your labels. Canva automatically updates the chart for you. Now, when you're finished, it's time to save and export. Canva saves automatically, but if you need to download your work, click the Share button in the top right and choose Download. For class assignments, PDF or PNG is usually best. PDF keeps the text sharp, and PNG works well for slides or for websites. And that's it. Canva is a powerful tool, and once you get comfortable with the templates and customization, you can create infographics that look polished and professional. Feel free to experiment, explore templates, and make the design your own. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your project.